Hi friend, my name is Bamba Jumbo and I'm happy you came to visit me. This is the city where I live. Just recently there was still a construction site, but none of these houses have been built without a concrete mixer. To work on this machine, we need to assemble it first. Concrete mixer is a machine for making concrete mixtures. It is also very needed for transporting the concrete itself. When it's moving down the road, the drum is rotating and concrete doesn't congeal. Concrete mixer consists of several parts. Let's assemble this machine together. Let's start with the moving part. With its help, concrete mixer can drive. We will need a foundation of the concrete mixer to attach the wheels. One front wheel on the one side and one front wheel on the other side. Let's move to rear wheels. They are doubled. 2 couples on one side and 2 couples on the other. And now let's attach the cap for concrete mixer's driver. This is a drum. Let's attach it to our concrete mixer. In the machine's drum, concrete is carried. Only this way concrete will stay liquid and will be useful at the construction site. To fill the drum with concrete and water, we will need a funnel and a ladder to help constructors fill in the drum. The last detail has left, a gas tank. It's a container for storing gasoline. Concrete mixer has 2 gas tanks, one on each side. Concrete mixer is ready. Let's look how it works. Concrete mixer is necessary at every construction site. Constructors fill its drum with cement and water. Now we need to mix it well. For the construction purposes, concrete is poured into the molds and then constructors wait till it hardens. Let's look what figure has turned out from our form. Look, it's a train! One of the machines that helps road workers flatten the asphalt surface is an asphalt roller. An asphalt roller consists of several parts. Let's assemble this machine together. Let's start. First, let's take a base frame of our asphalt roller to which we will attach all of its components. Then, let's attach a driving part to our frame base. Thanks to this, our asphalt roller can already move. Now, let's attach the main parts to our asphalt roller. They are roller drums, located where the wheels would be. One front drum and one rear drum. Next, above each drum, let's fix 2 gas tanks, which we need in order to store a high stock of gasoline. Now, let's fix an operator platform with a seat and a steering wheel. This platform is sky high, so we need to attach a protective grating to keep the operator from falling out. The asphalt roller is ready. Well done! It is not too big, but it's a very heavy machine. Asphalt rollers are required for soil and asphalt compaction and many other things during the repair and paving of roads. The main part of the roller is the drum, located where the wheels would normally be. And now, let's see how the asphalt roller works. For this, let's go back to our road. asphalt and road metal are already spread over the road. Now it's time to flatten the asphalt surface. Our asphalt roller smoothed the asphalt by its weight with the help of the roller drums. And now, just let the asphalt dry. Hooray! It's finished! Our cars are hurrying away on their business again. Thank you, Asphalt Roller! Dear friend, it's time to say goodbye. Now you know how to assemble an asphalt roller. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.